What's up everybody? I got a comment about how to replace the gauge on your Alterra model. As you can see here, in cold weather it will get dark like this. And when it warms up, the outer edges of the screen will fade out. So I'm going to show you how to replace the gauge, how to remove it and stick a new one on. So be sure to stay tuned. Alright, so this is just held in with a rubber gasket around the edge. So all you have to do is just slip this out. And as you can see here, we have the rubber gasket right there. And then you will just unplug the plug on the back. It has a little clip on the bottom here you will press. See if I can show you without getting in the way of the camera. Just press this plug here and then just wiggle it back and forth, and that'll come right off. Then when you get your new gauge, you'll actually remove this rubber gasket and stick it right onto the gauge. There's a little tab up here on the top of the display that you want to make sure you get lined up. Then you'll just grab that plug there again, snap it on, make sure you get the snap, and then there is a little notch right here at the top, so your gauge will line straight up and down, and then just press it in like that and you're ready to go. Alright, so when you put in a new gauge, you're gonna have to reset the clock. So you'll press and hold the middle and it'll go to 12 hour, 24 hour. So we'll switch this to 12 hour. And then it's going to be set at AM, so you're going to have to go around. If you're in AM, set your AM. If you're in PM, set your PM. And then you press the middle button again and you're over to the minutes. And then just press the middle button again. Then when you press the middle button, it will go through the display functions. Be sure to check out that video if you don't know how to do that. There's 3 buttons on here, 3 different options. So that is how to change out your gauge. Hope you found this helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.